Hello, home bosses. In the last two videos, I explained how Amazon works like a search engine and why book titles matter much more than most people realize. Today, I want to talk about another part of your listing that causes a lot of confusion. Your book description. This is the part many authors either overthink or completely ignore, and both of those can hurt visibility. What is the description really for? Most people think the book description is just a sales page, but it actually has two jobs. Job number one is to help the reader understand what the book is about and decide if it is for them. And job number two is to help Amazon confirm what your book is about and who it should be shown to. So the description is not just for people, it's also for Amazon. And how does Amazon look at your description? Well, Amazon doesn't read your description like a human does. It scans it and it looks for what the book is about, who it is for, what problem it solves, or what experience it offers, and whether it matches your title, subtitle, keywords, and categories. And when everything lines up, Amazon becomes more confident about showing your book in search results. But here's something I want to clear up, something you may have heard before. For a long time, we've been told Amazon doesn't index the description, but Google does. And that is where a lot of confusion comes from. So here's the truth. It's true that the book description is not Amazon's strongest ranking field. Your title, subtitle, keywords, and categories matter more for that. But that does not mean Amazon ignores your description. Amazon does read it. Not to count keywords, but to understand context. It uses the description to confirm what your book is about, to check that everything matches, to reduce confusion, and to feel confident showing your book to the right people. So the description supports visibility, even if it's not the main ranking tool. And yes, Google does index the description. That part is true. Google indexes Amazon product pages, including the description. That means that your book can also be discovered through Google search, especially for longer, more specific searches. So taking care with your description helps Amazon buyers, Google visibility, and reader trust. Here's the easiest way to remember it. Your title and keywords tell Amazon what the book is for. Your description helps Amazon and readers feel confident about it. That's why clarity matters so much. I see two big problems with book descriptions all the time. The first is very long, salesy descriptions, full of hype and big promises, and they sound impressive, but they are hard to read and they don't add much clarity. The second problem is the opposite, very short descriptions that say almost nothing. So Amazon and the reader are both left guessing. Here's a simple structure that works well. You don't need fancy copywriting. A simple structure actually works much better. For example, number one, a clear opening, what the book is for and who it is for. Number two is a short explanation, what problem it solves or what experience it offers. Number three could be a few bullet points, what's inside the book. And number four is a gentle close, who this book is for and how it helps. That's it. Clear, simple, and honest. So clarity matters more than selling. This is important. Your description does not need to convince everyone. It only needs to be clear for the right reader. When someone reads your description and thinks, yes, this is exactly what I'm looking for, that's a perfect result. And when Amazon can clearly understand your book, that also helps visibility. So here's a quick example. Instead of something like, this amazing book will change your life forever and unlock your true potential, try something like, this floral coloring book for adults is designed to help you relax, unwind, and enjoy calm, creative time. Same book, but much clearer and much more helpful. And this is what most people don't realize. Most people spend weeks creating their book and about 5 minutes writing the description. not realizing that your description affects clicks, sales, and long-term visibility. So it really is worth doing properly. Take your time with your description. Now I want to share something important with you. I've officially launched my new membership, the HomeBoss Publishing Academy, and it's hosted on the school platform. This is something I've been building very intentionally, and the goal is to create a supportive space for people who are publishing books and want to build a long-term income in a calm, sustainable way. So what do you get inside the Academy? You get publishing training to turn ideas into books, weekly live calls where you can ask real questions, and we can chat about what we are doing, tutorials and walkthroughs, insight into my own publishing process. So I'll be sharing what I'm working on with you, and you'll get daily support so you don't feel stuck or alone. And we're going to have exciting challenges that will help you get unstuck and propel your business forward in a more structured and strategic way. So anything I'm testing or learning in my own publishing business, I'll be sharing with you inside the Academy so we can all learn together. And I'm opening this at just $37 per month for the first 50 founding members. And founding members will lock in that price and help shape how the Academy develops. And the price will increase after the first 50 members, and I'll be adding more and more material as we go. So if you've been looking for guidance, structure, and community instead of trying to figure everything out on your own, this is exactly why I created it. So you'll find the link below the video. Go check it out. So after watching this, look at one of your book descriptions and ask yourself, is it clear what the book is? Is it clear who it is for? Does it match the title and subtitles? And would a stranger understand it in 10 seconds? Small changes here can make a big difference over time. So in the next video, I'll be explaining backend keywords in a very simple form and why they matter much less than people think. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments. And if you'd like to join us inside the HomeBoss Publishing Academy, I'd love to welcome you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.